Hi everybody, it's Alan from Automate Your Life, and we're going to open up the SwitchBot Smart Humidifier. Alright, let's give it a go. Alright, open it up. Okay, got the user manual. That's going to be useful, so I'm going to put this over here. The adapter, nicely packaged. Alright, we can talk about this later, but this is definitely part of the humidifier. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Wow, really nice design. Alright, let's put that plastic away. Let's see. Put that back on. Put that back on. And I'm sure this basically fits inside there. But there you have it. There's the SwitchBot. Alright, so now that you've got your SwitchBot humidifier unboxed, now you can rinse the filter under the water. Rinse it there for, it says at least half a minute, but I'd rinsed it for probably more than a couple minutes. Then you put it back in its base. It'll sit nice and snug on the bottom. And once you've done that, now you can fill it up with water. Make sure not to put water in the vent, but just to fill it up and fill it up to its max. And then you'll put it back on its base, nice and snug, and everything should fit nice and sound. Next you know, you can just power it up. So you just plug in the adapter in the back. Now you should hear a sound. The SwitchBot humidifier is looking for Bluetooth connectivity on your phone. If that's okay, you can just get it running. It has a touch capacitive control in the front. And there you go, it's up and running. Enjoy your SwitchBot humidifier.